Hello, my name's Bob Willis and I need your help. Over the years I've provided hundreds of videos of my defect of the month, covering soldering and assembly defects and solutions. All of these are available free online for your engineers, your engineering team and possibly suppliers for reference. I've written 2 soldering books and I've written quite a number of colour defect guides, which again have all been available free of charge to download. So how can you help? Well, I have a brand new book, Robotic Soldering Inspection and Defect Guide, and it's available as a download in November. But this time, what I'm trying to do is raise money for charity. And this is for prostate cancer. And a donation would be very, very beneficial through our Just Giving page. All donations go directly to charity. So if you feel you've enjoyed some of our defect guides, our books, or some of our defect of the month videos and have benefited your company, then I'd really appreciate if you make a donation via our Just Giving page. And we've provided a QR code which makes it that much easier. Many thanks for your support and continued interest in my activities and my activities over the last 40 years.